THRYM PyroVault 2.0, a fortress of fire-starting reliability. Crafted with precision, this storage container boasts a dual-wall, dual-color exoskeleton and a formidable gasket seal to protect your fuel from the elements. With a full-size lanyard hole for secure retention and a low-profile latch for easy access to the striker wheel, it's the ultimate choice for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists seeking a safe haven for their fire-starting essentials. Upgrade your everyday carry with the Dango A10 Adapt Wallet, a fusion of style and utility. Constructed from lightweight aluminum and equipped with D-Tex textured surfacing, it offers a secure grip and unparalleled durability. With room for up to 5 cards and a convenient pen pocket, it's the perfect blend of form and function for the modern adventurer. Meet the Casio G-Shock DW5600E1V, a timepiece engineered for resilience. Featuring a rugged resin case and band, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions. With its EL backlight and multifunction alarm, it ensures visibility and precision timing in any environment. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or navigating the urban jungle, this watch is your trusted companion. Prepare for any emergency with a Leatherman Raptor, a versatile tool for medical professionals and first responders. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and equipped with a range of essential features, including a strap cutter and oxygen tank wrench, it's the ultimate life-saving companion. Stay clean and protected on the go with the Orbit Key Sanitizer Holder. Designed for effortless attachment to belt loops or bags, it comes with a refillable aluminum bottle and pump dispenser for convenient use. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new horizons, this sleek accessory is a must-have for modern living. Unleash your potential with the Civivai Polymorph, a versatile multi-tool for everyday use. With its razor-sharp blade and compact design, it's perfect for tackling any task with ease. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or working on DIY projects at home, this tool is your trusted companion. Illuminate your path with a Nebo Slide King flashlight, a powerful and versatile tool for outdoor adventures. With its adjustable zoom and durable construction, it's perfect for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or working on repairs at home, this flashlight is your reliable source of light. Stay prepared for any situation with the Gerber GDC Zip Blade, a compact and convenient pocket knife. With its durable construction and quick-release clip, it's perfect for everyday carry. Whether you're opening packages or tackling DIY projects, this knife is your go-to tool for every task. Never lose track of your belongings again with the Orbit Key X Chipolo Tracker V2. With its durable design and advanced features, it's perfect for keeping tabs on your keys, wallet, and other essentials. Whether you're traveling or just going about your daily routine, this tracker gives you peace of mind knowing that your valuables are always safe and secure. Gear up for adventure with the Wolf Tactical EDC Sling Bag, a versatile and durable pack for all your outdoor pursuits. With its padded back pocket and maul attachment system, it's perfect for carrying your essentials wherever you go. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just exploring the city, this bag has you covered. Empower yourself with the SOG Baton, a compact and versatile multi-tool for everyday carry. With its sleek design and essential tools, it's perfect for tackling any task with ease. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or working on DIY projects at home, this tool is your trusted companion for every adventure.